Delivery. Guess I didn't do a video on how to break this thing down, huh?